Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's bathroom because I'm sick. Hi everyone, today on this channel I'm gonna dye my hair today because since I'm sick, my brain said, you know what you should do? You should buy hair wax. And I guess I did, and it came in today, so I guess I'm gonna dye my hair. Ching! I told myself 2018 be open to more things. So I guess here's thing number one. So here's the hair coloring material. They've been like all over Instagram or whatever. And it's by Mofajang, M-O-F-A-J-A-N-G. So we're gonna test it. Because you know me, beauty guru in the making. Oh, hello. Ta-da! There's the purple one. Here's the blue one. So I'm gonna try for the purple one today. And basically in the video, you just put it on your hands, rub it together, and just run it through your hair. So we'll see how it goes. There's my hair. Good thing I wore a black shirt under my dark hair so you can totally see what's happening. Take some purple. I don't know how much I'm using. People in the video have it all over their hands, so we'll just see how it goes. I'm just gonna copy the video, so hands are covered. I'm scared! Smells good. I hope it's not a lot, I don't know. I think I was intrigued because you didn't have to bleach your hair. Being someone with dark hair, if we want to have some color, we would have to bleach our hair, which is not what I want to do right now. Just rub it through. It smells really good. Sorry, I'm sniffling. There is a lot of purple on my hands. I did one side, so I'm going to do the other side and then brush it all out. It's pretty cool. It's subtle, so I don't totally regret my life decisions. What was that? Huh, that looks pretty cool. I like the subtle color, the purple. Especially since I didn't have to bleach my hair or anything. Huzzah! Ooh, ta-da! Nice and subtle. Cool! Don't think I'll ever do this again because I don't know what I'm doing. But I do like the purple. It's very nice purple. It's not the worst, especially for my first time. Yee! Maybe next time I'll try the blue, or I'll do blue and purple. I don't know. This was just me trying something from the internet. Relevant. Overall, it's pretty cool. I like it a lot for not knowing what the heck I'm doing with my hair, so yay, sick Julie did something. Thank you for watching this video. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! Hopefully I'm not sick because this sucks. I just want to eat all the food and I can't. Bye. Sorry, I filmed this in my bathroom. I'm so lazy, and my bed's right there, so yay! Bye!